Here's how I made around $21,710 in just 7 days using an awesome tool called ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool based on GPT 3.5 that allows users to have human-like conversations with an AI chatbot. It can be used to write YouTube descriptions and scripts, generate content, create AI art, and even code. With ChatGPT, you can automate your content creation process and save a lot of time and money. So maybe I'm not actually saying this. Maybe this whole video has been ChatGPT. Now to start off, you'll need to create a free account with ChatGPT. Once you sign up, you will be directed to the main page, where you can start using the tool's features. The first step is to get a blog topic in your niche. For that, you will have to do some keyword research to find low-competition keywords in your niche in order to rank on Google. And this is where hsupertools.com comes in to help. hsupertools.com is the best free SEO tool to find low-competition keywords. So just go and create an account on this website. After creating an account, click on SEO and select the keyword research tool. Now, enter your niche keyword. Let's say, for example, affiliate marketing, and then just tick I'm not a robot and click on search. And after a few seconds, this free tool will provide you with a list of keywords with their search volume, competition, and CPC. Now, pick up those keywords which have a high search volume but with low competition. For example, this affiliate marketing Amazon keyword has low competition but has a high monthly search volume. So copy this keyword and create an article around it with the help of ChatGPT. For that, go back to ChatGPT and simply type in list of blog topic titles related to, then paste your niche keyword and press enter. And after a couple of seconds, this tool will generate 10 different topic ideas related to your niche. Now, if you want to get more different ideas, you can click on the Regenerate Response button. Now, the second step is how to get your blog outlines. For this, select any one of these titles and type in outline of blog post for the following title, then add your chosen title and press enter. After a few minutes, this tool will automatically generate an outline for this particular title. Moving on, the third step is how to get your outline content. For this, simply copy the first part of this blog outline and type in provide the blog section of this outline, then paste the first part of that outline and press enter. And in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will automatically write the introduction of your article. So just copy all of these and paste it in a new Word document file. After that, go back to ChatGPT and type this in, provide the blog section of this outline. Then copy the second part of this blog outline and paste it before clicking enter. After that, just copy all of these, go back to that Word document and paste it there. Now, repeat the steps for all the remaining outlines to write a full blog article. Now, after creating a full blog with ChatGPT, it's time to convert it into a human-generated blog if you want to rank it on Google. For that, copy all of these. Go to Google and search for DupliChecker Article Rewriter. Click on the first website, scroll down and paste the whole content in the text field. After that, tick I'm not a robot before clicking on Rewrite Article. Now after a few minutes, this tool will automatically rewrite the whole article. So just copy all of the rewritten content. Go back to that Word document and paste the rewritten article there. Now, after that, it's important to check if the blog is truly human-generated or not. For this, you can use a tool called huggingface.co, an AI content detector tool. Copy a few lines from your blog and head over to huggingface.co. Paste the content in the text field and wait for a few seconds. The tool will then provide you with a percentage of how human-like the content is. Ideally, you want the content to be at least 90% human-like to pass as truly human-generated. Once you have a human-generated blog, the next step is to publish the blog on medium.com. Medium is a popular blogging platform that can help you reach a wider audience and gain more visibility. This is a 100% free and worldwide available platform. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video. In that way, I can create specific content for your region in my future videos. Now, to publish your blog on medium.com, first create an account on the website. Next, click on the right button on the top right corner of the page. Copy and paste your blog post, together with the title, into the editor. Now, add a featured image to this blog. For this, you can choose any image related to your niche from pixabay.com or pexels.com for free. Next, add multiple affiliate links to your blog to earn more commissions. To do so, you can use Medium's built-in link insertion feature, which allows you to add a link by highlighting the text you want to link and clicking on the chain icon in the editor toolbar. Paste the affiliate link in the URL field, and your link will be ready to go. Once you've inserted the link, the text you highlighted will become a clickable hyperlink that directs readers to the destination URL when clicked. This feature is a simple and user-friendly way to add affiliate links to your Medium blog posts. Now, if anyone clicks on this link, you'll earn commissions. When publishing a blog on medium.com that includes affiliate links, it is important to disclose this to your readers. You can do this by adding a disclaimer in your bio, at the top of your post, and within the body of the post. It's important to note that Medium has a built-in audience, and you can leverage that audience to get more views on your post. Medium also has an algorithm that helps to surface high-quality content to its readers, so it's important that you make sure your post is well-written and informative. Now, for the next step. All you have to do is add 5 blog topics so readers know what your article is about. Let's say, for example, affiliate marketing, how to make money online, Amazon affiliate program, Amazon Associates, Amazon affiliate tutorial, and the like. After that, click on the Publish button and select the appropriate publication or create a new one. And as you can see, our article is finally published on medium.com. Now, the next step is to drive traffic to your blog. There are various ways to do this, but one of the most effective ways is through social media promotion. Share your blog post on various social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to reach a wider audience.
Yeah.